So what we're going to go over today is just simply setting your clock, how to manually adjust your clock, or to utilize Mazda's GPS-based syncing service that it provides. That way, if you're traveling outside of your traditional area and you go into a different time zone, it'll automatically adjust itself for you. So from the home menu, if you take your commander switch and rotate it to the right to your settings tab and select it, you're going to have a couple different tabs along the top. Using the same commander switch, by instead of rotating but pushing like a joystick to the right, you'll be able to go from one tab to the next. Once you've gotten to your clock tab, you're going to be faced with a couple different options. The very first option is to adjust the time. Here you can physically go into it, adjust your hours down, up. Same thing with your minutes, decreasing or increasing your minutes. Switching it from AM to PM as well. In this case, I prefer utilizing the GPS sync, so going to your time zone that you're physically in. In our case, we're going to be Eastern. So we'll go ahead and select that. What it's going to do is it's going to bring us to a time that is exactly with where we're at right now. And selecting your GPS sync will then not allow you to adjust the time manually, because it's going to be based on your physical location.